Hi everyone, I'm testing out the SG90 Servo as they are connected to the TinyPlan 4.0 controller board. The TinyPlan 4.0 controller board is from MiniPlan Robot Fund based in Taiwan. There's some phenomenon which I observed as I connected the servo, and this is the editor in which you can control the servo as they're connected to the TinyPlan board. There are some very slight murmuring sound coming out from the servo. This servo is connected to this, which is pin V400 here, corresponding to this part here. So there's a murmuring sound. I'm not sure why the servo doesn't turn. And the only way for the murmuring sound to go off is by turning it to minus 90 degrees. Okay, and servo feels very hot to the touch. We use this to measure the temperature. About 61.8 degrees, which I think is too hot. So MiniPlan, any advice on why this servo is not turning? Maybe I'll try switching to other servos. Which you can see, these are the new ones which I have. I'll try connecting to the controller board and see whether there's any movement. So orange wire goes inside. Let's see whether there's any movement for this servo. Yes, there is. So could it be that the previous servo was spoiled, but this one is working? Okay, now I'm switching over to the setting part where you can tune the servo to zero the servo. So let's just say I turn it to -1 and see what happens as I press set. There's no response. Okay, I'm moving back to the editor where you can control the rotation of the servo. Let's see, is there any response here? Maybe MiniPlan, this is the second question I have for you. Why is it that after I did my setting and then I go back to the editor, I'm not able to have the servo rotate and there's no response?